If your kitchen counters are crowded with appliances that only do one job, you're not alone. A slow cooker for one meal, a rice cooker for another, a Dutch oven sitting in the cabinet, and a saucepan that somehow gets used every day. The real question is, can one appliance actually replace all of them without sacrificing cooking performance? That's exactly what we're finding out today. Today, we're taking a close look at the Magnifique 6-quart 8-in-1 multi-cooker, a programmable cooking appliance designed to simplify meal prep while saving both space and time. It's built for busy families, home cooks, and anyone who wants fewer appliances without giving up versatility. From slow-cooked stews to perfectly cooked rice and pasta, this multi-cooker promises to handle a wide range of everyday meals. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing that stands out is its attractive casserole-style design. Unlike many bulky multi-cookers that look purely functional, this one has a cleaner, more modern appearance that won't look out of place sitting on your countertop. The 6-quart cooking pot offers plenty of room for family-sized recipes while remaining compact enough for most kitchens. The nonstick interior feels smooth and well-finished, making both cooking and cleanup noticeably easier. Overall, the cooker feels sturdy without becoming excessively heavy to move around. One of the biggest advantages here is versatility. Instead of purchasing separate appliances for slow cooking, rice, pasta, sautéing, warming food, or braising, everything is built into one machine. The one-touch preset buttons simplify cooking by removing much of the guesswork. Whether you're preparing oatmeal before work, white rice for dinner, or slowly braising meat throughout the afternoon, switching between cooking modes takes only a few seconds. In everyday use, the cooker performs consistently thanks to its heating system that warms from the bottom and sides while circulating heat and steam throughout the pot. Rather than creating hot spots that can burn food, the heat feels evenly distributed across the cooking surface. Soups simmer steadily, rice cooks evenly, pasta is straightforward to prepare, and slow-cooked meals develop rich flavors over time without requiring constant attention. For busy households, being able to set the program and walk away is easily one of its biggest strengths. Another feature that adds flexibility is the oven-safe cooking pot. Once you've finished slow cooking a casserole or pasta bake, you can transfer the pot directly into the oven to brown cheese or crisp the top without transferring everything into another dish. It may seem like a small convenience, but it saves time, reduces dirty dishes, and helps deliver recipes with better texture and presentation. Cleanup is equally simple. The nonstick surface helps food release easily, meaning most residue wipes away without heavy scrubbing. Since everything cooks in a single pot, you'll often have fewer dishes compared to preparing the same meal using multiple pans on the stovetop. That makes weeknight dinners noticeably less stressful. Of course, no multi-cooker can completely replace every dedicated kitchen appliance. If you're an avid baker or frequently pressure cook meals, you'll still need specialized equipment for those tasks. And while the preset programs make cooking beginner-friendly, experienced cooks may occasionally prefer the precision and control offered by traditional stovetop cookware for certain recipes. Compared with similarly priced multi-cookers from Ninja, Crock-Pot, and Hamilton Beach, the Magnifique stands out with its attractive casserole design, oven-safe cooking pot, and combination of slow cooking, rice cooking, sautéing, braising, pasta preparation, and warming functions. Some competing models include pressure cooking or air frying, but they also tend to be more expensive and considerably bulkier. If your focus is on everyday family meals rather than specialized cooking techniques, this model offers excellent value. Overall, the Magnifique 6-quart multi-cooker delivers on its promise of simplifying everyday cooking. It combines versatility, family size capacity, dependable heating, and straightforward controls into one appliance that genuinely reduces kitchen clutter. If you're looking for an easy way to cook more meals with less effort and fewer pots, this is definitely a multi-cooker worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews and practical buying guides. And if you're interested in adding this multi-cooker to your kitchen, Check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.